Hey everyone, I'm Grant with CAMaster, and today we're taking a closer look at one of our most popular and versatile CNC machines, the Panther series. This machine is built for serious shops that need speed, precision, and flexibility in one rugged package. The Panther is engineered from the ground up with heavy-duty steel construction on the frame, gantry, and side assemblies. That means maximum rigidity, minimal vibration, and accuracy that holds up, shift after shift. It comes equipped with a 6 horsepower HSD air-cooled spindle and an 8-position linear tool rack, complete with tool cones, holders, and ER32 collets. So whether you're carving, cutting, or profiling, you've got fast, automated tool changes ready to go. We've paired helical rack and pinion drives on the X and Y, with 25mm THK precision rails and bearings. Add in AC servo motors and planetary gearboxes on all axes, and you get precision movement and dimensional accuracy that outperforms expectations. This system is built for productivity. Zoned phenolic vacuum table for targeted material hold down, pop-up locating pins for fast setup, and modern Ethernet-based smart core digital control that keeps everything responsive and connected. This particular Panther also includes some powerhouse upgrades: an integrated laser engraver, oscillated tangential knife, standard tangential knife, a 4th axis indexing lathe, and a laser crosshair for fast, accurate zeroing. Now, you might hear similar specs from other machines on the market, but what you won't find is this level of build quality and support. Every Panther is manufactured and supported right here in Cartersville, Georgia. No third-party sourcing, no guesswork. Plus, it's backed up by a 1-year warranty with lifetime tech support from our same team that built your machine. So if you're ready to take on more jobs with less downtime and do it all with precision, the CAMaster Panther series is your new workhorse. Thanks for watching. Head on over to CAMaster.com to learn more or request a quote.